Hello learners, we are together again. We are back again to continue doing what we love doing most. This is mathematics. We love mathematics. Mathematics is a very interesting subject. Mathematics. And we are continuing with the topic of unit called fractions. Fractions. The subunit is division of fractions. Today we focus on division of fractions. Division of fractions. So we will work together. We'll work out together a few problems, starting with work out A 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. This would be equal to, this is equal to 2 over 3 times. When we put the multiplication sign, then we get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 6 over 5. The reciprocal of 5 over 6 is 6 over 5. We simply overturn it so that the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. Then we simplify. The next step is to simplify by cancellation. 3 goes here once, 3 goes here 2 times, which is equal to 4 over 5. That is the answer. 4 over 5. 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6 is equal to 4 over 5. Second example. Example 2. Work out 4 over 7 divided by 20. 4 over 7 divided by 20 will be equal to 4 over 7 times the reciprocal of 20, which is 1 over 20. 20, which is a whole number. The reciprocal of a whole number, like 20, will be 1 over the same number. Then next step, simplify by cancellation. 4 goes there once, 4 goes here 5 times. The answer is, we multiply the numerator. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So 4 over 7 divided by 20 is equal to 1 over 35. 1 over 35. That is example 2. Then work out 11 over 12 divided by 5 over 6. 11 over 12 divided by 5 over 6 will be equal to 11 over 12 times the reciprocal of 5 over 6, which is 6 over 5. Then the next step, simplify by cancellation. Cancel. 6 goes here once, 6 goes here twice. Then we multiply the numerators. 11 times 1 is equal to 11. 2 times 5 is over 10. See how simple it is? Division. very simple. We go ahead, go on, we work out another example. This is now a bit complex. 1/7/10 divide by 34/35. 34/35. So where you have a mixed number, convert the mixed number to improper fraction. This will be equal to 10 times 1, 10 plus 7, 17/10. This 10 times the reciprocal of 34/35 is 35/34. Then we simplify by way of cancellation. 17 goes here once, 17 goes here twice. 5 goes here twice, 5 goes here 7 times. Then we multiply the numerator, that is numerators. 1 times 7 is equal to 7 over, we multiply the denominators, which is 2 times 2 is equal to 4. This is an improper fraction. So we convert this improper fraction to a mixed number, which is 4 goes into 7 once, then 3 over, remainder 3/4. So that is the answer to that we have worked out, and the answer is 1 3/4. 1 3/4. Are you following? You must be following. Make sure you follow what we are doing. As we are cancelling, make sure you are also writing down. Okay, if you have any question, ask the question. Right? Now that there is no question that has been asked, we move on to the next example. Next example, work out 4/8/35 divide by 25/7. 25/7. These are mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. We said step number 1, convert the mixed numbers to improper fraction. Step 1. If you have mixed numbers, convert the mixed numbers to improper fraction. 4 times 35. 35 times 4, here you have 20. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, 14. Plus 8, 148/35. 7 times 2, 14 plus 5, 19. Divide by 19/7. Okay, 7 times 2, 14 plus 5, 19/7. Then we get the reciprocal of the second fraction. That will be 148/35 times 7 reciprocal. This goes up, this comes down. All right, this goes up, the other one comes down. So 7/19. 7/19. 7 goes here once, 7 goes here 5 times. 5 times. Then we multiply the numerators and the denominators. So the numerators, we have here 148 divided by 19 times 5. This is equal to 45, 5, 95. 95. 95. So 148 divided by 95. 95 goes into 148 how many times? You can try 1. Okay, then 95, 8 minus 5, 3, 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, which means the answer here is 153 over 95. So that is the answer. Are we together? Yes, we are. Let's work out our last example under operation division of fractions. Work out 7 over 11 divided by 3, 2 over 3 over 1 over 3. So the question is 7 over 11 divided by 3, 2 over 3 over 1/3. So first of all, we are going to work out the numerator. Then we will move on to the denominator. The numerator, 7 over 11 divide by, we get here this is a mixed number. We convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. 3 times 3, 9, plus 2, 11 over 3 divide by 1 over 3. This is equal to, remember we are working out the numerator first. Okay, so 7 over 11 times the reciprocal of 11 over 3 is 3 over 11. Okay, 3 over 11 divide by 1/3. This will be equal to, we multiply the numerators. 7 times 21 is equal to, 7 times 3 is equal to 21 over 11 times 11 is 121 divided by 1/3. So 21 over 121 over 1/3 is the same as writing 21 over 121 divide by, this one means we divide, this is the, we divide this fraction by this fraction. So 21 over 121 divide by 1/3, divide by 1/3. So we come here and say this is equal to 21 over 121 times the reciprocal of 1/3, which is 3 over 1. 3 over 1, giving us here 21 times 3 is equal to 63. This is 63 over 121. 63 over 121 is the answer here. This is, we have worked out, we have divided this by 1/3, and the answer is 63 over 121. 121. 63 over 121. So with that, we've learned how to divide fractions, the operation of division of fractions. So I'll give you assignment, and this time is again from pupil's book. This is your book. We are on exercise 16. I've done several questions here. These examples I picked from the exercise. We have solved a few of these questions. It's your turn now to go to exercise 16 and work out the rest. Make sure the assignment is done. Make sure the assignment is done so that when we meet next time, we will look at combined operations on fractions. We'll look at combined operations of fractions. Combined operations on fractions. That will be our next lesson. Combined operations of fractions. Combined operation of fractions. So far we have learned how to add addition of fractions. We started with addition of fractions. We went ahead and saw how to subtract, subtraction of fractions. Number 3, we learned multiplication of fractions. Today we have covered division of fractions. In our next lesson, we'll see how to work out problems where these operations, the operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We learn how to work out problems where the operations are combined, what we are calling combined operations of fractions. With that, thank you very much for continuing to attend our lessons. We hope we are teaching you something so that you prepare well for not only your exams but also be able to use some of the skills you are learning here in real life. The reason why we learn mathematics other than just passing exams is because mathematics can help you solve real problems in life. Thank you and God bless you.